Hey, I just got a box of stuff in and I want to show you what I got. It's a lot of fun when I order things for the people who order things on the website, and then I get to get in some stuff, and then I always get some new stuff to try. So I'll just show you what I have. First, I have Best Press, a nice big bottle of it, 16.9 ounces. I am still working on putting things together for my room, and one of the first things I needed that I did not have was some Best Press. So I ordered these that have the nice gun trigger top. This is my favorite. Best Press is my favorite. I haven't tried a lot of the others, but I just love Best Press for when I'm pressing my seams and things like that. What I'm talking about, you've probably seen them. They look like an oval shaped, smooth plastic, and it's a big magnet, so your pins go in. They're really nice. Ooh, this should be fun. So this is a kit that I just ordered, and what they are is they are sleeves. You see that there? They are sleeves that go on a pillow. So you make one pillow and then you have these sleeves. So I'm excited to try that. Now they come in just the pattern. They also come with all the pieces cut for you. So again, you'll see all those little pieces. And so I thought I would try the one with the kit, and I will make that up, and then that way you can see it, and you can either go with cut your own, or you can go with I always say for kits, if you have more time than money, then cutting your own patterns makes sense. If you have more money than time, then having it done for you and getting it done a little faster is fantastic. So this could be something that's much faster to do, and I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna find out. Now this one I'm interested in trying. These are Retreat Kit. It is a wool press and lock tiles. And so what they look like is this, and the picture showed me that you press them together. Okay. So you can buy as many as you want. So I started with 2. This is a wool mat. I thought this was a really cool idea, especially for traveling. I haven't tried it yet, but I thought down here, when I have a really small space, this would be a great thing to be able to put away. So I'm going to lock these 2 together. See how easy that, oh, that's nice. Did I do it crooked? Yes, I did. So they're locked together, and I can do up to, I'll play with it. I think I've got them locked crooked, but you can do as many of them as you want. So I'm thinking if this works, first of all, I'm loving how fast that goes together. That's an absolute yes. And I'm going to try this out. It feels really good, so I think this is going to be a winner. And so these are the Lock Block ironing mats. So that's all I ordered for this time. I like to order a few things at a time so I have time to try them out. But I thought I'd also just show you something I'm working on, since I know you're probably home sewing as you watch this. And this is what I'm going to be working on today. So this is a kit. These have dog sayings on them. This one says, oh, upside down. This one says, "You had me at woof." Cute. These are mug rugs, and I've got them sewn together. My dog is my best friend, no bones about it. So they're large, they're like a large coaster. We'll call them mug rugs. Some of us call it that. And what they do is they come on, I don't have the package to show you, but I'll have a link for these things in below. They come pre-printed batting. I'm gonna peek around to see if you can see that. Yep. Pre-printed batting, and so all you're having to do, it's very fast and easy. They are all numbered. I start with number 1 as a rectangle. I will put a piece of fabric there. The next one I'll lay on top, and then I can flip it. And they even tell you all the sizes you need to cut. If you want precise cutting, you can use scraps for these. They're very fast. But the idea is they're quilt as you go, because before you start sewing, you put a backing on. And I have some other videos on how to do these. that I can link below. But these are just super cute. I've got all these dog fabrics. Woof on this side, isn't that fun? And I gave a couple of them. All I have to do now is put the binding on. So it's like a mini quilt, and you put the little binding on. If you're not good with binding yet, if you're a newer quilter, this is a great way to practice. Placemats, mug rugs, it's the same. I use the same 2.5 inch strips to make, just like I do on a quilt, to make the binding for these coasters. So it's, like I said, really good practice for the corners, practice for that last piece. And again, I have a video, I'll link to you for that, on how to do the binding. But they are nice for gifts. I gave them to my daughter. She loves dogs, and she loved them. She absolutely loved them. I gave her 3 of them. The package, I believe, has 6 or 8 in it, but they're a great little gift. So I'm working on those today. While I'm here in Florida, I am working on the things that all the UFOs that I have lots of. So I try to bring down a couple at a time, just enough for me to sew on while I'm down here, because my room is small. And right now I'm in the kitchen. So this might be where I do my cutting. I've got a table coming, a card table that I'll be using in my room. So hopefully that's gonna work for me. But other than that, if you have fun projects that you're working on, take a picture, link it below. I'd love to see. If you like this video, click the link below and then subscribe, and you'll find out when there are more videos just like it. Thanks.